Welcome to CSU's Introduction to Online Learning. Whoever you are and whatever you're studying, you'll use a range of CSU's online tools. We hope that you'll take advantage of the practical information and examples used in this short subject. Some students will have studied online before, but for most of you, this will be a new, exciting, but possibly daunting experience. In this subject, what we want is for you to gain the confidence and skills in using the system or the tools of the trade before you start dealing with all your actual course learning materials. CSU is a large, diverse uni with many campuses, so even if you're studying on campus, you'll still have components of your course which are accessed totally online. The advantages of this for both students and lecturers will become clear as you work through the practical activities. By completing them, you'll be off to a really great start. In summary, CSU uses a system called Interact2 as its online learning environment, to use the technical term. Students can see all their subjects appear in Interact2 when they enrol. Each subject appears separately, so it's easy to be organised and to keep on track. Actually, this subject appears there as SSS032, so you've already experienced clicking there to arrive here. Your subjects being in Interact2 gives you access to a range of activities which are used for a number of purposes. It's a place to store the rules, regulations and expectations for each subject, and it also gives you a pathway to communicate directly with your subject coordinator or lecturer. Likewise, it gives you a place to communicate with other students in the same subject. It can store all the subject material and modules, plus any extra resources that may be useful for you. It gives you the structures for completing particular online activities, including group work or tests. It also provides you with a link to submit your assessment items or to see your test results. On top of all that, you can even join in on a real-time online classroom. It's a really comprehensive system and very useful. With so many functions though, it does require a bit of time to learn to use efficiently. And if you're a typical student, you don't want to waste time, you just want to study hard and get on with your life. This subject is the way to help you achieve your study goals by teaching you how to use the technical nuts and bolts of studying online. This introductory subject should take about 10 to 12 hours to complete, but you can do a little at a time and take up to 5 months to gain your certificate of satisfactory completion if you need to. We don't recommend that you take the full 5 months though, as your course will start before that, and it will be an advantage to know your way around Interact2 first. There are some technical requirements that you may need to set up to get the best out of Interact2. You'll find a checklist of these in the introduction that follows. We really hope that this subject is informative and useful for your future studies at CSU. Information and practice activities are broken up into 4 topic areas with a short assessment item at the end of each one, just to give you practice in the key functions. If you have any questions, you can always contact your subject coordinator at any stage to help you get out of trouble. And don't worry, this subject doesn't count towards any official records or results, so relax and just enjoy exploring Interact2.